In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Breadcrumbs in views. Breadcrumbs are a simple way to see exactly where a task lives inside your workspace, so you can quickly understand its context. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to turn on the right settings so that your ClickUp views clearly show task locations, parent tasks for subtasks, and even closed work, all in one place. First, log into your ClickUp account and head over to a list view. You can do this from any space or folder where you already have a list of tasks set up. List view is important here because the breadcrumb options we're about to use are controlled directly from this type of view. Once your list is open and you can see your tasks, we're ready to adjust the settings. Look towards the top right of your screen, near the Add Task button. Right next to it, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the Customize Your View settings area. Go ahead and click on that gear. This opens a panel where you can control how information is displayed in this specific view, including the breadcrumb style details we're trying to enable. To show breadcrumbs in your views, you'll be focusing on 3 related settings inside this customization panel. Think of these as 3 switches that, when turned on together, give you a clear path of where each task sits in your hierarchy. The first setting you want to turn on is called Show Task Locations. Toggle this on. Once this is enabled, ClickUp will display the location of each task, such as the space, folder, and list it belongs to. This acts like a breadcrumb trail at the task level, so you're never guessing where something is actually stored. Next, look for the option labeled Show Subtask Parent Names. Toggle this on as well. This setting is especially helpful if you use subtasks heavily. With it enabled, every subtask will clearly show the name of its parent task, giving you an immediate sense of how that subtask fits into the bigger picture, without needing to open the task details. Lastly, find the Show Closed Tasks option and toggle this on too. Turning this on means you'll see closed tasks in your view, which helps maintain a complete breadcrumb trail, even for work that's already finished. It's useful for audits, reviews, or simply understanding the full history of a project. Once these 3 settings are on, your ClickUp views will show clear, consistent breadcrumbs, making it much easier to navigate and understand.